Well, I was just playing around with a vertical antenna here today, and I got a coil underneath this here, trying to get her to work on 7 megs, and as she sits, it appears to be working. Appears to be. It's not, obviously it's not the the greatest looking thing you ever seen, but I'm gonna revisit this when it warms up again. Today it was a bit warm. I just want to clobber something together, but it seems to work. It's a tapped coil. That's to goes right to the antenna. So I'm not exactly sure how this is working right now, but it's working. Got a ground right here, ground wire there, ground wire here. Of course, that's the coax. It's direct fade coax. Anyways, it's a weird looking thing, I know. It's pretty, rough looking. But later on this spring, I'll look at it again and build it a little bit better. So for right now, I just want to get something just to get us going. Get me going on 7 megs. I'm having trouble with, I had a dipole there, but it wasn't working. It wasn't working with a shit. So there we go. Had to add this little coil here to get it to resonate down on 7 megahertz. It seemed she was up around 8 or 9 originally. Using this one, once I put this one in there, it made her drop down to 7. But anyways, that's it. Just try it tonight, see what it's going to work like. Might work, may not work, who knows. Anyway, time to clean up the mess and give her a try.